Hey, welcome back to our channel, DJ2 Living in Real Time. This is Diane, and today I'm not in the kitchen because I'm getting ready to pack for my cruise to Alaska in September. Listen, we're going to give you the know-how, the backstory, and everything how to pack, and you're going to make it right. Stay tuned. When we're not traveling, our bags are kept in the attic. And normally after a trip, I'll wipe down the bags, wipe them out, and put them in plastic containers or plastic bags for that matter, and store them up here just to preserve them, because guess what? Good bags are very pricey. Don't worry, I'm being very safe right now. And there we are, bags out of the attic, ready to be unveiled. Stay tuned. Let's start with the very basic. And the very basic is an extremely good bag. It's a hell of an investment. So we have High Sierra. It's 36 by 15 in terms of measurement, and it's the best thing since sliced bread. We've taken this bag on a trip to Europe. We've taken it on cruises. And this is the only bag I carry, plus my hand luggage, which is just a regular bag. Everything fits in this bag for at least 10 days. And when I say fits in it, every nook and cranny. So it has this section, you have a side section here, and of course, your heavy duty stuff goes here. And as I said, this has gone many places with us, and as I shared earlier, we wipe it down, ensure it's dry, and put it in a plastic bag and store it. So it looks, this bag is over 5 years old. Wouldn't you say, Dane? And look at the state it's in, and we have traveled. We've been to Egypt with it. We've been all over the world. So guess what? It's a good bag. High Sierra, 36 by 15. Let's start the packing. So these are bags that we have because when we travel in the trailer, we have these little bags. Along with these bags, we have another set of bags. Shoe bags. Anything for shoes we can travel with. Laundry bag, and we have two types of laundry bags. We have and remember, if you don't have these, a simple store bag, a plastic bag from Walmart, Kroger, Target, anything can be used as a shoe bag. Actually, that's even better. Don't worry about it. Okay? These are all the shoe bags I have. Just to give you a backstory, I was a flight attendant / purser for over 10 years with Air Jamaica. That was a national carrier for Jamaica. So I have a lot of life hacks, and I'll slip them in. And I won't have a set number, but I'll just say life hack, and you can see what it is. And I'll start with the first one. So we're going to carry hand soap so we don't have to use the bar. And normally they come in a pump. What I've done is just simply change the pump to a flip, because it's actually easier to pack, and then to ensure that it doesn't spill, a little tape and a wrap around it, so double. And this will be traveling with me to make sure that when I come back, because the pressurization on the aircraft can cause things like this to open up, and you just want to be safe. And this is why, again, Ziploc bag comes in handy. And you just drop it in. So, bags like these that are lined, you can get them anywhere from Amazon, Walmart, Target, anywhere. You just want bags, but these were specially made by overlandguygear.com, and the Velcro takes off and put on back. And this is one of the things that we travel with in the trailer, but we're going to be using it for this trip. And it has tops, underwear, socks, bottoms, because you have limited space in the trailer, so you have to roll your stuff up. But in this instant, they'll be packed for something else. All right? So we're going to start with the cosmetic bag. Okay? Yes, the ship does provide everything, but you want your own lotion, body wash. Well, no hair for me, just moisturizer. And then it will be easier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with a toiletry bag. Okay? Watch what I'm packing. So this is what Dane used. So I'll put that aside because Dane is going to pack his own bag. So we have this. And this is for security purposes. That nothing explodes. And yes, I have a scissors, but I'm just using this, okay? I'm going to fly through this. So I'm only packing 4 pairs of shoes. So a dress-up sandals, sexy shoes, sneakers, and hiking waterproof shoes. And that's all you need. And make sure that when you're packing, everything that you are packing can actually match any of those. So right now, again, because of the weather, I checked the weather in advance. It's about 55 degrees in Alaska and about 72 in Seattle. So I'm dressing for both locations. So as I said, my shoes, my cosmetic bag. You have to have your umbrella and everything else, and the raincoat. So remember, you're going to Alaska, it's going to get wet. You need to pack certain things. All right, so a couple things. Everything I've packed here, it's interchangeable, okay? And I am going to be dressing up when I board the boat, and I'll be dressing up when I board my flight. So I have some frocks here, dresses, see how small they are. And I have some yoga pants, but they're thin. And these will be my layers. And then I have my waterproof, 2 waterproof pants, and of course a jacket. This is my laundry bag. I like to put dirty clothes in a laundry bag when I travel. It's a standard thing for me. So this goes in here as well. And as I shared earlier, as much as I have everything in Ziploc bags, I'll just put into what you call them, scandal bags. Tuck them in. And I carry these just in case my shoes is wet. I just wanted a big enough bag to put it in. Hence, I have this bag. And this goes here, and this is no space at all. And this is at the bottom of my bag. And it can hold more space, as you can see. So I'm going to bring it over now. And I'm going to close that section. And again, it can hold more. Da-da-da-da. I'm in business. I have 2 things on the side that normally I won't use, but that's that, okay? Now, very important hack. You need to carry cash. And based on the length of the cruise and the amount of activities we're going to do, we're going to carry about $300 to $400 in small bills. And next hack is that whenever you're traveling and you're taking medication, heart pressure, blood pressure, anything at all, ensure that they're in their original containers because some of them are deemed controlled substance. It's very important, especially going on a cruise. Next thing you have to remember is a lot of cruise ships now, if you're going on the rides, you cannot have any metals at all on your swimsuit. So I have 2 swimsuits. One is a profile swimsuit, which is this one. Metal, very cute. And then I have my I'm going to do everything while swimsuit. So, but one is good, but I just carry 2. All right? So, and then now because of the weather, and I'm going to dress in layers, I'm going to have scarves. And everything I have here, they match here. And my t-shirts and my, what do you call these again? These are not really warm. What do you call them again? I don't remember. Thermal underwear. But they're lightweight. And I just have 3. And I have 1 pair of jeans. And that's it. And then as I said, I have my socks. I have my Tams, my scarves, my gloves, because of course of where I'm going. And I have a bag here that has some wipes and some hand warmers and some foot warmers. Again, just in case. I'm being very, very practical. And then the only thing you won't see me packing is my cosmetic bag and my underwear bag. But everything else, this is going to go. And I have 2 bags. So this is my DJ2 sling bag. that I carry with me. Very proud of it. Da, 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 da. And my carry-on bag, which is going to have all our documents in them. So right now I have my passport, I have our mask, I have the labels for our luggage for the cruise. I'm not going to put them on now because we're going to fly and I don't want to lose them. And of course, travel documents, passports, COVID testing cards, health cards and everything. And these are very important, of course, cash. And in this particular bag, I will carry gum, eyeglass cleaner, small lotion, and chapstick. And basically, for safety purposes, the binoculars will be going in my hand luggage. I will not be checking them in, just being cautious. And that's about it. And I'm going to see my friend in Seattle, Corinne. So I'm bringing her something, compliments of Texas, Tex Joy, best season ever. So that's about it. So extra charges because we're going to do a lot of filming. Don't forget your headset if you want, your iPad or your tablet if you're a Samsung fan, but I'm an iPad girl, I'm an iPhone girl, so that's what I have. And you have your battery chargers. Based on the ships that we travel on now, they have so many outlets, but if you want to be that much more practical based on if you have a lot of gadgets to plug in, you might want to carry one of those converters and you can get them anywhere. So that's it. I hope this helped and I'll create a list for you, but so far I think this is it. And you're going to have fun. We're going to have fun and we're going to show you everything that's happening so you will be better prepared for your trip. And then we hope that you enjoy this presentation. And remember, like, subscribe, and share. DJ2 out for now.